In the typical method with Excel, your settings will be the result of some equations defined in Excel, and you'll have to copy and paste these values into Accelerator or enter them manually. This can take up a lot of time, and it can introduce errors at a point when the settings are thought to be correct. You as the engineer must be careful with this by double checking the values and making sure it all gets transferred correctly. And if you do miss a setting and make an error, there's not a good way to catch that. Hopefully, the technician testing the settings in the lab will catch it, but it's important that the settings are correct. You also need to make sure that all the databases where this is backed up get updated, and sometimes that may get pushed back. Then the databases cannot be current.